Where is Chris the Queer? See if he can out-wheelie me. Nope. Nope. Try again. It's probably going to find also. Oh, is he turning around? Oh, he's turning around. Seconds out. Round 2. I'm too good looking to be standing here. Oh, and we got Clive. Oh, we got Lawson. And Clive. And Chris. What did he blow? It's Granny! And hey John up there, fixing another bucking shed. Bucking Yamahas. Oh, it's Granny! It's Granny! Hey John! Oh, it's Clive! Oh, it's Chrissy B! Hang on, hang on! Yes! What? In the van. Oh, he's gone to pick up Nick. He'll be back in a minute. Nah, yeah, that one.
Where is he?
In there. Wanker, wanker, wanker.